In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a transparent header in Shopify. A transparent header lets your navigation and logo sit on top of your hero image or banner, so your store looks clean and modern right from the first fold. I'll walk you through the exact clicks to turn it on inside your theme editor, and I'll share a few quick notes so you know what to expect. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin. From the dashboard, head to Online Store in the left-hand menu, then open Themes. This is where you manage how your storefront looks. On your current theme, click Edit Theme to open the visual editor. If you see Customize instead, that's the same place. We're going into the theme editor. Once the editor loads, make sure you're previewing the home page. The home view is important because most themes show the transparent header over the first section on this page, usually a large image or slideshow. If you're not on home, use the page selector at the top of the editor to switch to it. If you see any highlighted prompts or pointers on your screen, follow those. They're just guiding you to the right spot. Next, open the header section from the left side panel. This is where all your logo, menu, and background options live. Look for the setting labeled Transparent Background, or a similarly named toggle. Turn that on. As soon as you enable it, you should see the header's background disappear in the preview, allowing your hero image to show through behind the logo and navigation. That's the effect we want. If your preview is showing a different page, switch back to Home to confirm the change on your main banner. Some themes will only apply transparency on the home banner to keep other pages easy to read, which is normal. If your editor highlights any additional confirmation or state changes, click through those prompts to apply the setting. When you're happy with how it looks, click Save in the top right corner. Saving publishes the change to your live theme, so your visitors will see the transparent header immediately. A couple of quick tips as you review. Make sure your logo and menu text have enough contrast against the image behind them so everything stays readable. If your header content blends in too much, try a darker or lighter hero image, or use a version of your logo that stands out more. Also, give it a glance on mobile in the editor preview to ensure the transparency looks just as good on smaller screens. And that's it. Your Shopify header